Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to make a Chrome extension. So it isn't a complex piece of software, it's a set of instructions that tells the browser how to behave. So our extension starts with a single file called manifest.json. This is the brain of your extension that tells Chrome its name, version, and what permissions it needs. Okay guys, so you just want to create a new folder on your desktop, for example. Okay, and in here, create a file named manifest.json. You can just create a new text file, text document, and name it manifest.json. And yes, confirm this. There you go, and now there's your file. Right, and inside, you will need three main keys. So it's manifest_version. You can set this to 3. Okay, and then inside we have, as you can see, also these files that we will need to use, each having its corresponding feature. And in general, you should have this kind of simple code. In here, I will just save it, so this will be our manifest file. And also to make it interactive, you can add the action key that points to an index.html file. Now the second file. So once again, you open up a folder, create a new text document, and name it index.html. And under this, let's edit it in Notepad. We will have this kind of code, right? You can learn a bit more about this online. And also the next file. All right, and you should come up with these two essential files. Also apart from those, just like I've shown you. And then if you want to load it into your Chrome, right, and post it, you go Chrome, 2 dots like this, and then you go extensions. There you go. And you can then activate the developer mode right here, and then press on load unpacked. And then you just select the folder you created on your desktop. Your extension icon will appear instantly on the toolbar. Click it and your HTML pop-up will render it right there in the browser. And you've moved from being a user to being a creator. So that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy creating and see you next time.